Iyas bin Salama says that his father narrated this hadith to him. We, along with Allah's Apostle ﷺ, went to fight the battle of Hunain. When we encountered the enemy, I moved ahead and ascended a mound. One of the enemy came from the front side. I thereupon shot him with an arrow, but he did away, and I could not understand what he did. I looked at the people and saw that they were climbing up the other hillock, and they, as well as the companions of Allah's Apostle ﷺ, started fighting. The Prophet's companions took to their heels, so I also returned defeated while I had two chadors. I had wrapped one of it around my waist and the other chador around my shoulders. My wrapper got unfastened, so I held the both chador together, and I walked towards Allah's Apostle ﷺ, vanquished while he ﷺ was riding his mule Shahba. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "The son of Aqwa looks utterly scared." When the enemy surrounded Allah's Apostle ﷺ, he ﷺ alighted from the mule, picked up a handful of dust and threw it at the faces of the enemies, saying, "Their faces have got deformed." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then filled the eyes of each of them with dust, and they thereupon fled away, turning their backs. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu defeated them, and Allah's Apostle ﷺ distributed their booty among the Muslims. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4595.